Hello there, how are you today? I trust you're having a nice week and you are enjoying your lessons so far. Okay, today we will be taking a fresh topic in basic science and technology. And our topic for today is water. Water. Here in this topic, you will be looking at extensively evaporation and condensation. Evaporation and condensation. First of all, let's define water and know what water really is. Okay. By definition, water is a tasteless, odorless, and colorless liquid. Water is a tasteless, odorless, and colorless liquid. Any liquid that has taste, has color, has an odor, be it a nice or a bad odor, is not water. Water is the most important and commonest liquid on earth. It is the liquid which all animals and plants depend on for life. Even we as human beings, we depend on water for life. Now let's look at evaporation of water. First of all, what is evaporation? What is evaporation? Let's answer that. Evaporation is a process whereby liquid substances changes to gas. Evaporation is a process whereby liquid substances changes to gas. Now, we can say evaporation of water is a process whereby water changes to gas. Water evaporates at all temperature. The higher the temperature, the more the rate of evaporation. By high temperature, I mean heat. When heat is applied to any water body, even though it could be direct sunlight or artificial heat, the rate of evaporation increases. And when water evaporates into gas, it is called vapor. Water in gaseous form is called vapor. In evaporation of water, small units of water called molecules gradually escape from its surface. Small units of water called molecules gradually escape from its surface. That when heat is applied on water, maybe direct sunlight, the water evaporates in small molecules. Small units of water escape from its surface. While what we're seeing here, you can see the quantity reducing. You will just say water is drying up. No, drying is a wrong term. We say evaporation has taken place. This happens when there is application of heat energy. Like I said, when there is application of heat, maybe direct sunlight or any other form of heat energy, water evaporates in small molecules. As the water is heated, the molecules are able to move freely and change into vapor. That is all for evaporation of water. Now, let's look at condensation of water. Condensation of water is the direct opposite of evaporation of water. Now, let's define condensation. Condensation is a process whereby gaseous substances changes to liquid. Condensation is a process whereby gaseous substances changes to liquid. Now we can say condensation of water is a process whereby water changes from gaseous state to its liquid state. Water condenses at a temperature called dew point. Water condenses at a temperature called dew point. For condensation to take place, water molecules move freely when they come in contact with cold objects or cold air at a reduced temperature. The water that had evaporated, that's the vapor, when it goes to the sun, because that's where evaporated water goes to, it is still heated up. Then when it comes in contact with air, it cools, and that process is called condensation. When it cools and change back to liquid, the process is called condensation. The molecules of water vapor move freely if they come in contact with a cold object or air at reduced temperature. They slow down and form liquid. Like I said, when this vapor gets in contact with air at reduced temperature or cold objects, they slow down because they move at a very fast rate. They slow down and form liquid. The lower the temperature, the higher the rate of condensation of water. Remember, in evaporation we said the higher the temperature, the more the rate of evaporation. While evaporation needs high temperature, condensation takes place in a lower temperature. The point at which water condenses is called dew point. That's the temperature, the least temperature at which water condenses is called dew point. And the temperature at which water evaporates is called boiling point. Thank you for listening. Have fun and enjoy your lessons.